God. Fuck. What the fuck do we do? What the fuck? No. No, please, Josh, you're alright. Josh. Oh my God. Hurry. Just call 911. Yes, 911. Oh, Josh. Josh, what do we do? What hurts? What hurts? What hurts? Josh, what hurts? He's turning blue. He's fucking turning blue. Oh, shit, dude. And he's twitching. Oh, she's fucking spazzing out. Oh, Josh. Oh, shit. Yeah, what the fuck do we do? Oh, my God. Josh. You alright, man? Josh. You okay? Oh, my God. Josh, I don't know. You're right. What happened to my friend? What the fuck happened? He was just spazzing out. He was twitching and everything. I think he's okay now. He's talking. He's awake. But he fell when we were skateboarding. Just send an ambulance or something. Just send something. All right. What the fuck? We're over at the Continental Theater. Don't move. Expressway. The one, the old broken down one. I'm not going to need to go to the hospital. Northwest Expressway. Just send a police officer. We don't need no cops. Just somebody that can help. We don't need an ambulance, but somebody that can help. We just need someone that help. I don't think we need an ambulance. Are you alright, man?
Can you remember it, man?
You hit your head pretty fucking bad, dude.
Oh my. Just lay there, okay? Just relax and lay there. I fucking no idea what happened. Josh. Just don't move around. It's somewhere around there. Do you feel pain anywhere in your body? No. Just don't. I think it'll be alright. Slowly. Your fucking stomach looks like a bit and a half. You don't feel any pain anywhere? No. Not at all? He's 15. You don't feel it anywhere? He's twitching and stuff, but he's okay now. My neck isn't hurt. You got like a fucking gash on your head. He's awake now. Dude.
We need to ask him.
Just send his head. He got a big knot. Just send like an officer over. Just to, somebody that's around here. Just 83185. Dude, I can get up. I'm fine. I swear. Yeah. Josh, just take it easy. I don't think so. Can't move my legs.